Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. In today's video, what are we gonna do? Just cook some food. Ras Mokko gonna cook some rice and peas and some chicken. You know, typical Sunday dinner because today is Sunday. To give you guys the exact date, the videos might be late because I'm here, but today is the 13th on a Sunday. And yeah, the rain just cooled off, it just eased off and things just in time. You guys might have seen in the last vlog we went to a supermarket, picked up some stuff, stopped by the street, get some breadfruit, you know, so we can cook some food and have. Stop on the roadside to get all our breadfruit.
No, in can't get no money. I'm not get it back.
Me I give to you back, me say.
Know him. Give back me change, man.
How much is breadfruit you roast? Shoot to the iPhone, you see me? Real country life, watch it. Breadfruit off at the roadside. How much something? Yeah, so you say we are going to roast some breadfruit tonight for tomorrow. What's on the menu tonight?
What's on the menu? Chicken.
Chicken?
Chicken and peas and rice.
Chicken and rice and peas, you hear that? Yeah, whenever the food forward out and thing, I don't know, I'm gonna try it and see, you know, how authentic it is as a, you know, Jamaican typical Sunday dinner. And you see me, see what the Ras can do. But before we get to that, Kopi did promise to, you know, do up, what you call it again, some calabash bowls. I always wanted that, because when I'm doing like the riverside cooking and whatever the case is, like I always wanted something to be more authentic looking as a bowl. So I get something look real I know. See why? Yeah, me know so this ain't Kaku, you know. Yeah man, Kaku. Can you just mention it to me? I say, yo. Alright, so we get a cup.
That is a free cup, boy.
Free cup. We get them up. You can write something on it.
Carve it out, I mean, regularly carve it out.
Oh, what you carve it out? How much may I for you now? 1,000?
Everyone, all of them to buy.
Eh?
Everyone, all of them to buy.
Oh, all them of it $1,000?
You know?
Eh?
No.
How much you all them?
Guess.
How much?
Guess, no?
I know, I can't guess.
15.
15?
Yeah.
Alright, let me see how much me offer you for 15.
Ah!
What this man do, man?
Job, look there. Look there. Look young man yard front.
This man is definitely a boy.
Go fit on stand and jump on the man.
Alright, so usually with this, it's something we have to, what you call it now? It have to dry. So remember when I went to that vegan restaurant and thing, the bowls were brown because the outside dry. These are newer ones, so yeah. Oh, it's an interesting one. Alright, it's a vibe. So I'm gonna carry back one of them because it have a hole. Not a fault of his, it's just that the just how the fruit was born, or how the fruit bear, whatever you want to call it. There's a hole in it, so I'm gonna give me one there. Done do already. So this one look like almost like a finished one, see it eh?
Yes, sir.
So see it huh?
No, yes,
$1,500.
Hey, get friendly, you say.
Ah, thank you. Respect.
Okay, my friend. Yo, see your tin, I'm on and bring down.
Tin?
The tin.
Which one is it? Oh, give thanks, you know.
Yo, so you have to wash it off here.
Alright, so, okay.
And I'm on tired, you know.
Bring it up.
No, look. You
Chop it up.
Put it in our bag and
Eat that.
Alright, that's so you can peel. Then time go in.
Alright, thank you, Kopi.
Yeah, my friend. You have to have peel for it. You can't long go put it in your fridge.
Yeah. For me, it's a good trade-off. He gets to be crafty with what he has. Because for you to pick calabash is nothing, to be quite honest. But I got a couple bowls out of it. I don't know if I'm able to ship these, but I'll try to ship to somebody. So if you want one of these bowls or whatever, just drop a comment in the video and just say, oh, I want one of the calabash bowls, and I will ship it out to you guys. I don't know if it will reach because it's kind of organic. I don't know, but I'll get it out to you. I'm gonna ask. So who can carve on this? Ratty can carve on it? You know for carve? I don't know for carve. It take too long for understand me. So I'm keeping how many of these? I'm keeping 2 of these for myself, and there's 3 of them. There's actually 3 of these. So if you guys want to, be coming from Upper Ras Kitchen, from Kopi. You guys saw when it was done, and you guys will have some authentic Jamaican bowls. It's definitely a kid thing. Kids in Kingston don't know nothing about that there. So you say chicken a cut up and thing?
Cut up down here.
Yes, I. Where that way up on the pot now?
What me have?
Yeah.
Peas, man. Some peas.
Run some peas on the pot. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You can pick for yourself. Maybe you can look underneath it, you know?
Makes sense.
Yes, sir. Push in hood, that not take. That take too long.
Yeah.
To work to a Ras one did. Like them way, yeah. You know. Done. Blaze like hell. Come on.
Ice cream!
But that me I say cause if when me go a bush, you know, I mean let's put it with them together for light fire, take favor. And this time when I light fire in a rain.
Wow.
Yo, this type of wood don't play no games. Just a light it light. You know, I just thought that thing that is coming from me, that I should be the one that, you know, carves it out. So I'm not that bad artistically if I felt like it. So to carve out this, it's not really a big deal. So I'm gonna finish carving this. So you know, this came from Ras Kitchen. You know, Kopi was the one who huxed it out, got out the insides, and you know, I'm the one that carved it and sent it to you guys. So sometimes when I travel by myself, you know, it really doesn't feel like I'm alone, you know, because there's 25,000 of you guys right now at this moment, and I literally feel like you guys are all here. So yeah. So Mokko, I have a question. Peas in us, right? Peas in us. How you get your peas soft? I need to know how you get your peas soft, because everybody else use pressure cooker. So how you get your peas soft now, Aya?
Oh, they just put it on the fire, man.
For how long?
Huh?
Are you not soaking in water or nothing?
No, sir. Remember, no, man, they not smoke nothing. Remember, see this morning, the CASHAPP and bring that. And by we go upstairs,
Yeah.
and come back and cook, man.
Oh, you didn't have it on this cook for since you go up on the road?
Yeah, man.
Oh, he's a smart man.
Yeah, man.
God. Yes, because I'm here wondering, you know, if we are going to have to wait for this piece to cook. Oh Lord, show me the pot now. What's happening in there? Oh Lord.
Rice and peas.
It's been a minute since I see rice and peas look red, so boy, people always say mongrel dog back for everything. What not back for? Eh? I know, so now you are back play, but before you were barking at something over there. Huh?
No one there
You want to play? Huh? Good. It's a boy. It's a good, yeah, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yes. 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 Behind the ears. Yes. 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 Yes.
Hello.
I love that. Love around kid.
But she'll reach a final, but she's mental, she'll not come back. But Shelly is a mentally first female sprinter to have dominated for 11 years.
What you say now, Mokko? You gotta show some chicken at this now.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ratty, if you don't go to become a chef, I don't know. That's the trouble. So Mokko there, so I cook up some food. Just not trying to give you guys information as I can think about them. Mosquito wise, I haven't felt a mosquito here per se. Like there are more mosquitoes in my house than here. So that's the first thing. Yes, I think someone on my live when I told people like yo, I wasn't sure if I was gonna come here or not. And when I said I would end up coming here because of that subscriber, someone was asking me like what am I gonna do different than what you know they do on Ras Kitchen. And to be quite honest, as I tell people all the time, like everybody's video is different. Like, you know, their interpretation, their experience is a different thing. Like, I won't go through the entire cooking process with Mokko because that's not really what I plan to do here. It's really to just see, you know, let you guys see what the experience is firsthand, not from just a food perspective, but from a character perspective, from a accommodation perspective, and tell you what I think as a Jamaican trying, you know, authentic Jamaican cooking. So that's the vibe here pretty much. For those who might be watching this video by chance because they watch Ras Kitchen, you might not see me putting English caption on the videos, unfortunately. I mean, that's their thing. You know, I'm just doing it for people who, yeah, respect hearing like Jamaican talking, isn't me, and just trying to figure it out. It's kind of strange, but I the vibe.
Time it, you know, bro.
Time it right.
Yeah.
Shot them to know. Yo, for those people who have never cooked outside before, trying out not easier. Because it's not like a stove where you can put it on medium heat, high heat, low heat. You have to find out the natural remedy for this.
That.
For the man chicken golden. That's it. Now go hear some serious church in the background. Cause Sunday the church now lock off till night. So the church will be going on until tonight. And them one here, now I gotta start with them guys. I wanna know so me I time the pot. Trust me. Yo, as a Jamaican you might know, or yeah, as a Jamaican, I think only a Jamaican realizes, like people who cook a country, the food tastes different, like every single thing about it. So it's not even a Ras Mokko thing only, it's just once a country cooking. Yo, the food is just way different. I don't know what it is. It's just like the way they move them hand or what, but it's a different type of dish. You know, but again, cooking on an outdoor fire, it's just a different vibration. And the next thing about food that persons don't know, you have to cook with love.
Yeah.
You know?
And good vibes, you know?
Facts, yeah, man. You have to cook with love and good vibes. If you don't cook with love and good vibes,
it's not work out, you know?
you're not gonna work out.
No, yeah.
Yeah, man. That's why I go some place I call, I go all at KFC sometime. Sometimes the chicken good, sometimes it don't good. Chicken not cook with love, they just rush it. You understand? Be some money, guide the fire. You understand?
I was gonna cook. Like how your dad do your oil stove, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, some people then think they can't really manage it and say, why? I don't know what them just try, they should not try.
So here's the deal. So next time I come up here, so, me I cook something for you. I cook an ital dish.
Funny.
Yeah. And see how it go. Yo, I buy a frying pan and say me go carry it up here, you know. But I say, you know what? I don't know what the vibes are going to be up here so first. I come first and see the vibes.
Bigger frying pan want that one?
Little bit bigger, man, but there's something there. Cast iron. So this is aluminum and mine are cast iron. Yeah, man, it's a vibes. Alright, so I know some people are watching pot and they want to know what is going to be the end result of that chicken. You're going to stew it down or brown stew it?
Stew it down when you're done.
Stew it down, you're done.
Some water and some pomodoro and
so water and pomodoro.
yeah, man, I'm garlic and skeleton and thyme, man. Ready to go.
It's a vibe. It's a vibe.
You know?
Feel like we're gonna come back down again. But Ras Mokko talk about pomodoro. Me don't know what pomodoro be, you know. I'm gonna be very honest with you, but sometimes, you know, what I like about, you know, watching when Ras Mokko cook on Ras Kitchen.
You know?
Is that what?
Tomato, man.
Tomato?
Yes, sir.
See it, eh? What I like about watching Mokko cook on Ras Kitchen is you get to capture Jamaican culture. You understand? Because a lot of things as Jamaican people, I think some persons stray away from, you know?
Yeah.
Gone into all this fancy. I mean, nothing is wrong with having diversity in food, you know, but it's good to keep our own traditions alive. You know, so I'm sure for years and generations to come, people will keep watching, you know, the way how him cook food and, you know, God bless him. Ras Mokko say must show no him chicken pretty. Yes.
Pretty chicken, God.
Yes, I.
Yeah, man.
It's a vibe.
Yeah. Pick up on anything, that's alright. You ready, rubber boat?
Come on, rat. You follow me go a shop.
Me I go for the super here.